Argentina full squad in 2026. Julian Alvarez forward. Emiliano Martinez goalkeeper. Franco Mastantuono forward. Nico Fass midfielder. Lionel Messi forward. And subscribe my channel and inspire of next video. Enzo Fernandez forward. Jose Manuel forward. Lautaro Martinez forward. Rodrigo De Paul midfielder. Kevin McAllister midfielder. Cristiano Romero defender. Nicolas Otamendi defender. Nahuel Molina defender. Marcos Acuna defender. Gonzalo Montiel defender. Nicolas Tagliafico defender. Lisandro Martinez defender. Facundo Cambis goalkeeper.